Okie dokie, guys. We're going to work on some main ideas, something we've been working on for a while now. So, for the most part, it should be review. We're going to use these handy little slideshows the next couple of days, so I'd like to show you how to use them. Okay, your directions are right here. They want you to click and drag to highlight the text with your cursor, select the highlighted tool, and choose a color. So, you're going to highlight the main idea in yellow. You're going to highlight supporting details in blue or green. Once you're done with that, you're going to double click inside of here to write your main idea. If by some chance you click on this and you can't type, that means your text box probably got deleted. So what you need to do is you come up here for this little T, click on this, and it'll make this little cursor. So then you can take this and put it wherever you need to, and it'll let you type like this. Okay? If you don't need that, you can delete it with the backspace button. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to read this article about snowflakes. And you're going to tell me the main idea and 3 supporting details. Highlight that main idea in yellow. Highlight the supporting details in green. This is kind of small, so if you need to, you can zoom in. In order to do that, you click with this. Some of you know how to do that already. Some of you do not. So you just click zoom in. Now I can move around. Okay, gives you a good chance to read that there. And if you need to, if you're having a hard time finding a snowflake main idea, we have this here. Finding the main idea and supporting detail can be hard. If you're struggling, use the chart below to help you figure out the main idea and supporting details. Topic. Topic is the main topic, the basic thing this is talking about. So ask yourself, who or what is this whole text about? So in that case, oops, way too far. There we go, that's more appropriate. Okay, who or what is this whole text about? That answer would be simply snowflakes. What is the most important point? So what is the most important point they're making about snowflakes? That's what you're going to have to find out. For supporting detail, I need 3 facts or 3 details that help describe this snowflakes and why they're important. So you're going to read this first and then find your main idea. So right now, I'll read it to you just in case. And if you don't want to, you can go ahead and end the video now and read it yourself. Or you can listen to me read it. Snowflakes. No 2 snowflakes are exactly alike. Snowflakes form in clouds, and their different journeys to the ground affect their shape and size, giving each snowflake its own unique identity. Very cold clouds contain water droplets and ice crystals. As the water droplets attach themselves to ice crystals, they freeze, creating an even larger ice crystal. When this happens, water molecules line up and form a 6-sided shape called a hexagon. Remember, we talked about that in math. This is why all snowflakes are 6-sided. The temperature of the cloud determines the shape of the ice crystal. The amount of moisture in the cloud determines the size of the ice crystal. Likewise, the more water there is in a cloud, the bigger the ice crystal will be. When several ice crystals join together, they form a snowflake. As snowflakes tumble through the air, whirling and spinning, they each take a different path to the ground. As each snowflake falls, it drifts through the clouds with different temperatures and moisture levels, which uniquely shapes each snowflake. So you go ahead, highlight main idea yellow, supporting details in blue or green, fill in the chart here. You do not have to fill in this chart on this right-hand side unless you're struggling. If you're struggling, that's a nice way to help yourself out. If you know the main idea, go ahead and type it there. Details here. Any questions or struggles, please, you can rewatch part of this video because I tried to describe everything, or comment on Google Classroom. All right, thank you guys. Good luck.